Hello, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today we're going to draw a super cute house using simple shapes. Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's grab our black marker and let's start. First, let's draw a big triangle at the top. This will be the roof of our house. Nice and pointy at the top. Now, under the roof, let's draw a big rectangle. Let's draw another long rectangle at the very bottom. This is the base or ground where the house stands. Draw an arc-shaped door. It's like half a circle sitting on a straight line. And don't forget the doorknob. Let's draw a cute arc window next to the door. Just like the door, but a little smaller. Add a line across and one down to make window panes. Now let's draw a little chimney on top of the roof. Let's draw a fluffy cloud in the sky. Just make lots of little bumpy curves to form a soft cloud shape. Great job! And finally, let's draw a big circle for the sun. Now add little lines all around it to show the sun rays. Our sky is so happy now. Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Now, take your black marker and trace over your drawing. To make the outline bold and sharp. This will make your artwork pop out beautifully. Awesome! Isn't it? Yay! Now it's time to color. And today we'll use rainbow colors. Let's name the colors while we color. Red color. Wow! Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Well done, little artists. You just made a beautiful house full of colors and sunshine. Don't forget to show your masterpiece to your family. Subscribe for more fun at Toddlers Art Hub. See you next time. Yay! Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.